Ingredients: 1½ cups shredded mozzarella, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, 1 egg, beaten, 1 cup almond flour, salt and pepper, 6 beef frankfurters, mustard and/or low-carb ketchup. Instructions: preheat the oven to 380 F. Combine the mozzarella and cream cheese in a bowl, and cook it in the microwave for a minute. Stir, it will be super sticky, then cook for another 30 seconds. The mozzarella should be fully melted. Add in the beaten egg, almond flour, salt and pepper, and mix well. Let it cool for a few minutes, then knead the dough for a minute. Spread it out onto a large silicone mat using your hands. Use a flat spatula or dinner knife to cut the dough into 12 long strips. Carefully wrap one strip around a frankfurter. Then wrap a second strip around the sausage in the opposite direction, to form a crisscross pattern. Repeat with 5 other frankfurters/sausages and place them on a baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the dough has cooked. Let the mummy dogs cool for a few minutes, then use ketchup or mustard to draw eyes onto each dog. Serve them warm with extra ketchup.